Hey y'all, what's up? It's Claire here. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you here and you picked a great day to come because today's video is really different from videos that I normally do and I'm so excited about it. So a couple of weeks ago, a company called Splendies reached out to me and told me a little bit about their brand and I was just like obsessed with it. So I decided to share it with you guys today. So the company I'm talking about is called Splendies, and what they are is a monthly subscription of super cute panties that are delivered to you in the mail. So you don't even have to leave your house to get panties, and they just come to your door. Like, how cool is that? I've never heard of anything like this before, and I was like, really? Like, that's super neat. So every month with a subscription you will get 3 pair of panties in the mail delivered straight to you. I mean, that's pretty cool. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Splendies, and first of all I just want to say the packaging is just super duper cute, and it's like this little, you know, little papery, but it's like got that nice print and I'm all here for it, and I can feel my cute little panties in there. After I opened it, they are all packaged in here and it just makes you feel like you're getting like a present, you know, like, you know, you're getting panties but it makes you feel like it's like your birthday or something, you know. Ah, these are so cute. Okay, these first pair is a lacy like little cheekster. These are super cute. Oh wait, I had them backwards. Okay, it's this way. Okay, so it's like a thong. It's like really cute, super lacy, just really sheer. This is really good to wear like under dresses or something. And it says the price of these is worth $12. So if they're all worth $12, that is $36 for 3 pair of panties, but you get these for $13.99 a month for 4 panties. That is insanely cheap and that's so good. So for my subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and mention this because it's so awesome. So if you want to get a monthly subscription to these panties, you can get $4 off your very first box with the code Splendies right here. So all you have to do is enter the code Splendies and you get $4 off. So that means you get a whole entire subscription for a month for only $10. That's 3 pair of panties for $10. That's like $3.33 for a pair of panties. So if you don't do that, you need to do it. Ooh, these next panties, this is what I'm talking about. These are my favorite kind of panties. They are just like silky and stretchy. These are what I like to call everyday panties. This is like what I would wear every day. So they cover everything and they're just super soft. Oh, I wish you could feel that. It's just so silky, but then it has that lace detail with a cute little bow. So it's very girly. Yeah, you can look girly, but you're still gonna be comfy. So this is what I'm talking about. Okay, the very last pair of panties, oh, these are my favorite kind. These are like the no-show panties. And look how cute this print is. And they're kind of like a little high-waisted looking, you know? This is, oh, these are nice. And I got all of mine in a large because I normally wear a medium, but they say to size up. And yeah, that is perfect. I don't even know which one are my favorite because they're all so different, yet all so cute. Which one are y'all's favorite? Comment down below. Tell me what your favorite is. And they're all different every month, and so that's really cool. So you're gonna have like unlimited underwear forever. So their sizes range from small to 4X, which is just super cool. It represents all body types, so anyone can wear these. And then also the coolest thing ever that I thought was amazing is if you use the hashtag give a pair, and you post it online, they will donate a pair of underwear to someone in need. And I thought that was so cute and so cool. So if you just post the panties that you get online, you can do the hashtag give a pair and they will give them to someone in need. So I really do recommend getting this subscription box because you get $4 off your first box or first package in the mail with the code Splendies. And so, I mean, $13.99 a month after that for 3 pair of panties delivered straight to you. You don't even gotta leave your house. Like, you're saving gas money too. So that's incredible. So go ahead and check them out, and I will link it all down below. I'll link their Instagram and where you can go to their website down below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!